Large banks and financial institutions do their best when customers are at their worst. It's pretty ironic that people put the money, that's basically the oxygen that their life runs on, into an institution which 95% of them don't trust. Aspiration is a sustainable, socially conscious financial firm. What we believe is that if we can give you a platform that you trust and feedback on where your money is being spent and how it's being used, that you'll actually make better choices.
At Ignite, our mission and strategy is to accelerate digital change in large global companies. In the case of Jody from Aspiration, we found out that digital customer experience was really critical for his business, and so we helped put him together with Quantify Metrics to really change the game when it comes to customer experience.
Quantify Metrics is a digital experience intelligence platform that helps organizations identify, quantify, prioritize, and measure where their biggest opportunities are on their digital platform.
I call it the microscope of our customer experience. It allows us to see customers at every point in the journey.
This year, digital customer experience has emerged as a major topic for our investment team. So we invested in Quantify Metrics, which has really helped quantify where the digital experience challenges might be, shine a spotlight on those, and then fix those to improve the business case behind those digital properties.
We could really, use it to take this huge search space, right, of possible problems and quickly get it down to an understandable space where we could try to identify and resolve the issues. There was a period of time where we had a massive drop-off rate. One of our engineers is looking at Quantify Metrics and he's like, "Team, what's all this? It happened at 10:42. And as it turns out, one of our data integration providers had started denying all of our customers.
Understanding that when anything goes wrong, you'll have clear visibility and insights into, that's, I think, the magic of what we deliver really at Quantum.
That's really what the power is, the speed at which we can move because we have this information.
Speed is everything, and the companies that deliver phenomenal experiences and can iterate quickly around their digital experience, those are the ones that will succeed.
Quantify Metrics gives me confidence for the future of Aspiration, knowing that I have the ability, and every other member of the team, to observe, understand, and take action on every customer experience that we have.
It feels great to wake up and know that we can help organizations deliver their most phenomenal digital experiences with the insights that Quantum provides.